Okay, so today we're going to do Unit 3, Day 7 notes, which is writing equations from a table. This is just like the notes we did yesterday about writing equations from 2 points. Now, I'll give you a couple steps, but basically the steps are the same. Find the slope, find the y-intercept, and then write the equation. So now, let's start with problem A. We need to write an equation, so let's find the m. Now remember, I'm going to do this both ways, with the calculator and without it. So I'm going to start off without the calculator. Remember, you got to find the pattern of each side. So -5 minus -2 gives me -3. -2 minus 1 is -3. 1 minus 4 is -3. Then on the other side, it's 2. Now remember, it's the right side over the left. So that will be -3 over 2. So there's my slope. Second step, I need to find the letter B. Now, to find the letter B, I need my slope, which is -3/2, and I need to choose one of these points. It doesn't matter which order pair from the table you use, but just choose one. I'm going to use 7, 1. Of course, this is the x, this is the y. So using y equals mx plus b, I'm going to plug that in. So 1 equals -3/2 times 7 plus b. Now, if we do -3 divided by 2 times 7, and make sure you can leave it as a decimal if you want. 1 equals -10.5 plus b. Now I have to jailbreak the -10.5 to the other side to become a positive 10.5. So that becomes 11.5, which equals B. Now, write your equation, which is, for the M, -3/2. For the B, it'd be 11.5. So y equals -3/2 x plus 11.5. Okay? So now that we have our equation, let's see if we got the same numbers. So everyone take your calculator, go to Stat, Added, and remember to clear your table. So let's start with the first column, 5, 7, 9, 11. And the second column is 4, 1, -2, -5. Now go to Stat, Calculate, option number 4, enter, enter, enter. And of course, if you notice, we have the same numbers, okay? So -1/2 is the same thing as -3/2. 1.5 or 11.5, 11.5. Okay, we got that correct. Now for the rest of the notes, I'm just going to use the calculator to work these out. So let's do table B. So edit, clear your table. So clear that whole table. So 5, 7, 9, 11, and then it's 4, 4, 4, 4. Stat, calculate, option number 4, enter, enter, enter. And I end up with M being 0, B equals 4. And so now if I write my equation as y equals 0x plus 4. But remember, 0x doesn't do anything, so you can just leave it off, and it would just be y equals 4. Okay? Flip to the back. Let's do number or letter C. Stat, edit, clear your table. Now it's -2, 0, 2, 4, and then 5, 7, 9, 11. Stat, calculate, option number 4, enter, enter, enter. And I end up with the letter A, or also known as the M, as 1, and the letter B as 7. So my equation is y equals 1x plus 7. Okay? And the last one, D. Stat, edit, clear your tables. So -1, 2, 4, 8, 10, and then -3, 3, 7, 15, 19. Stat, calculate, option number 4, enter, enter, enter. And I get as my slope 2 and my y-intercept -1. So slope is 2, the y-intercept is -1. So y equals mx plus b, so y equals 2x minus 1. And there's your equation. Of course, if you have any further questions on today's notes, just let me know in class the next day.